Hi everyone, I am working on Joy from Inside Out costume. I purchased this dress from Amazon, just a simple sleeveless yellow dress. I created the JPEG file that I uploaded to Cricut Design Space. So now I have a nice stencil. If you do not have a Cricut, don't sweat. You can just print out that JPEG file and cut out the beams. You will need some brushes and fabric paint. Don't forget to put some thick paper, cardboard. I just put a file folder underneath so the fabric paint won't leak, and just go for it. The blue paint, when you put it on a yellow fabric, comes out a little too green, so I will attempt to add another layer.